Take a ride in the 2009 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.